So we are in the show apartment of AMRA by Citi Development. So let's check it with Delia.
Let's see. Okay, so here we are in the show apartment of AMRA. As you can see here, come closer please. You can see the appliances, the kitchen appliances from SMEG. Everything from SMEG. The oven too, even the fridge.
This is my best part, built-in fridge.
Yes.
Welcome with dishwashing, washing machine, stove, oven, and what's here?
Everything you see in the show apartment, you will get it on the handover. How it is, exactly how it is. You can go closer.
Nice, so you can see the marble on the flooring, sink,
It's all
toilet.
marble. Even the table, we are having a concept that is totally different from whatever you can see here in Dubai, in other projects.
It's like a bar, standing bar.
Yeah.
I like this.
Even the plates,
will be provided.
everything will be provided. Everything. Everything will be how it is in the show apartment on the day of the handover.
This is good, by the way. First time I see a candle who has like 4 these things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wallah.
It's not 3, yeah. Usually it's 3.
Unique,
This is
uniqueness.
the master bedroom.
Uniqueness. Working closets.
And in top of that, every unit will come with a Citi body, which is a robot, okay? It's like an assistant for every resident, for every owner.
So it will come with the robot assistant.
AI assistant, yes. We call it Citi body.
Check
Yeah,
the
yeah, you
toilet,
can
check
see
the
the-
masterpiece, which is my favorite part, the shower. 2 showers, normal shower and rain shower on top with glass and cabinets. And here when you can hang up and hide your own stuff. So they deliver good quality. So exactly
Very good
will
quality.
be.
You can see, like, you can touch the
So
the
you're gonna
walls.
get, of course, the same quality. We're talking about UAE. So whatever you see, it will be delivered and hand over.
If you can see the walls, like, they are very small, just to get more
Amazing.
space. Yeah.
So
It's
Delia,
amazing.
so this project, can you explain more the payment plan, how it goes for the payment plan?
Okay, so for the phase 1, because in the phase 1 we still have 2 bedrooms, which means in the phase 2 we are not going to have 2 bedrooms. It's only studios, 1 bedroom and 3 bedroom. So in the phase 1, for whoever is interested in the phase 1, the payment plan will be 70 during construction, and we are going to have 6 payment balloons every 6 months, okay? And 30%, 3 years post handover payment plan. For the phase 2, it will be 1%, every month, the 70%. There won't be any balloon payment because the handover will be delayed like 1 year later, Q4 2029. And the 30% remaining, it will be 3 years post handover payment plan.
Amazing. So let's go back to the market.